Okay, we're gonna be upgrading our overhead console. Let's get this off of here. Pull back on this side here. Man, those things are really in there, huh? Alright, and then it pulls out. There's a bunch of harnesses in here. You can see that there's a harness for the lights. Pull that guy out of there. Push down. Oh. 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 There we go. So there's that one. There's one. This little LED light. Little baby LED. That's the way it looks, right? Just spin it around. Okay. See what I did? That whole button just popped out of there. Okay. Last but not least, how does this guy come up? Okay, so this light, it just comes off of here. It's just kind of clipped in here. Alright, let's take it inside. Because I think I'm going to keep this. I think mine's nicer. But this thing pops out of here. You can pop this out. Like this. And then it unhooks. Like that. Alright, here's the one I just got in the mail. This is what we're putting in right here. This is the one that came off the truck. Which is crazy, right? Because this does say 22AB. This says 1AB, 21AB. I don't know. Just missing the buttons there. I think these lenses are not making cleaner. I'm gonna take these lenses out. They just pop out of here. Put mine on here. So that just pops in there. This little tab pops in here. I think that looks a little cleaner. I think I'm going to use my bezel here as well. That just clips in here. And it just snaps in. Alright, we just got to plug in our harnesses here. Plug in our light. We're going to have garage door opener on there. There we go. That goes on there like that. Got this guy plugged in there. Yeah, that's the way that looks. Alright, and then we got this guy plugged on the side here. That's it. So we're going with these hook tabs. We're going in with those first. Make sure those are up in there. And then we're just gonna snap this thing in there. And that's it. We have a new overhead account. So it looks like somebody tried to pry that off of there though. But couldn't swap that out. It doesn't work. Oh, where's the keys? Alright, we got the keys. Let's try it out. Alright, back window's opening and closing. Uh-oh. What? Did I forget a harness or something? Alright. to the drawing board. What a pain in the butt this was to get off. Ugh. Oh man, what in the world? Oh yeah, there it is. One more harness. Alright, you get in there. There we go. Clip that in there. Alright, now pop this in here. Some guys might edit that out and try to make it look like they knew what they're doing, but I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe you guys can tell me. Tell me in the comments. Alright. There we go. I think we're in. Sounds good, right? Sounds nice and squishy. Alright, so that. Oh, we need some keys. Need some keys. So that works. That works. That works. Alright, now these buttons here. There's two ways to set these garage buttons. The first thing I think we have to do is we gotta hold these down like that. And then we're supposed to get, oh, there it is. Just said cleared something. Okay. So there's two different ways that this could be done to program it now that we got it cleared. One way is to hold down the button from your garage door opener remote thing and the button you want to program at the same time. We're gonna hold them down. Or I gotta get up on a ladder, hit the learn button on the actual garage door opener and see. We'll see if I gotta do that. So push these buttons at the same time. And right now it's saying channel 1 trained. Alright, let's see if it worked. Alright, so holding the remote and pushing the button at the same time didn't work on this one. Back of your garage door opener should have a learn button. I'm just gonna press that. That's gonna turn orange. Now I gotta run over here. We gotta press. I'm gonna press and hold this down. And then it's saying channel 1 transmitting. And maybe I gotta clear it since I tried it with the remote. Alright, so to clear it, you press both of these at the same time, and it says clearing channels. Channels cleared. Now I'm gonna run back over here. Okay. This is still beeping, but I'm gonna press it again. So I'm gonna press channel 1, hold it down, saying channel 1 training. I had to put it down because I'm not sure, nothing was happening. So I tried doing the whole push the buttons on the key fob thing again while holding that down at the same time. It did say that it was learned. Alright. Nothing. It's not working. Oh, wait, it's working. I may have accidentally pushed this because I had that in my hand at the same time. Alright, hang on. Let's try that again. Okay. It's not working. Oh, it's working. It works. It works. That's how you do it. This wasn't a must-have, but it's definitely nice to not have one more thing hanging on my visor. I've actually knocked it off onto the street a few times. I thought for sure it was broken once I put it back together, but yeah, it's definitely nice having this. Any questions, post it in the comments below. Subscribe to stay tuned for the next upgrade.